Play.
Hello everyone, it's Anjali Srivastav. Now I am going to teach you maths of class 8th and your chapter first is fraction number. Okay? And you have to read in this chapter the addition of fraction number, subtraction of fraction number, multiplication of fraction number and division of fraction number. Okay? So let's start with the fraction number. Okay? Let's define what is rational number. Okay? Then the definition of rational number is rational number are those number which can be represented in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. That's it. This is the definition. What is the definition? Rational number are those number which can be represented in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay? So example of rational number are 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 3, minus 7 by 1. All these numbers are rational number. Okay? So come to the first topic. What we have to read? Addition. How we do addition of two rational number. Okay? Let's understand the addition of rational number by example. Okay? Let's take a number 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. So first we have to do what? Let's take the LCM of denominator. Then what will we get? The LCM of denominator is 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. This is the technique that how can we take the LCM of 4 and 3. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now what we have to do? 12 divided by 4. What we will get? We will get 3 multiplied by 3. What is the sign given? Plus. Note down as it is 12 divided by 3. What we will get? We will get 4 multiplied by 2. Okay? Then next what we have to do? 3 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 12. 9 plus 8, 17 by 12. That's the answer. Okay? This is the addition of rational number. And now what we have to do next is the subtraction of rational number. So let's understand by example. So 4 by 3 subtraction 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. The question is same, only the sign is changed here. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now here what we have to do? The subtraction of rational number. How we do subtract? Okay? Then take the LCM of 4 and 3. What we will get? We will get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM will get 12. 12 divided by 4, what will get? 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? Here the sign is minus. Then note down as it is 12 divided by 3, what will get? We will get 4 multiply by 2. Okay. Now the next step is 3 3s are 9 minus, note down as it is, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, what? We get 1 divided by 12. So that is the subtraction of rational number. Okay. Now next what we have to read is the multiplication of rational number. Okay. Now here the sign is multiplying. Okay. Then it is quite simple. Multiplication is quite simple of rational number. Denominator multiplied by denominator and numerator multiplied by numerator. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. It's quite simple. Converting standard form, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Then what is the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, let's take another example. Minus 7 by 2 multiply by 2 by 7. Now here what we will get? 7 2s are 14. Here minus plus minus 2 7s are 14. 14 1s are 14, 14 1s are 14. Now the answer is minus 1. Okay. This is the multiplication of rational number. And your last topic is division. In the division, it is quite similar as multiplication. Here, division. If we have a question that 3 by 7 is divided by 2 by 7, we have to divide 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. Okay. Then what we will do in next step? 3 by 7 multiply by 7 by 2. Okay. If the sign is in division, if we will do the in the form of multiply, then we can reverse it. Okay. Now here 7 cancel by 7. 1s are 7 1s are 7. 3 1s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. In the division, and the answer is 3 by 2. Okay. So this is the your first topic. Okay, let's take a quick revision of this chapter. What is the rational number? Rational number are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. So this is the example of rational number. 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 3, minus 7 by 1. Okay. If we have to do the addition of two rational numbers, then how we can add? First, we should take the LCM of denominator. Okay. Then we will do the next procedure. In subtraction, same as addition, only the sign has changed. In the multiplication, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator with sign. Okay. In division, we have to do is similar as